Hello Daad community. Yesterday we discussed what are the benefits of using blockchain in e-commerce, and today I am discussing about some challenges such as technical and scalability issues. Blockchain is still a relatively new and complex technology that requires high computational power and storage capacity. It also has limitations in terms of transaction speed and throughput, which can affect the performance and user experience of e-commerce platforms. Moreover, blockchain is not compatible with some existing systems and standards, which can pose integration and interoperability challenges. Regulatory and legal uncertainties. Blockchain operates in a decentralized and distributed manner, which can raise questions about the jurisdiction, governance, and compliance of e-commerce transactions. There are also unclear or inconsistent regulations and laws regarding the use of blockchain and cryptocurrencies in different countries and regions. This can create legal risks and uncertainties for e-commerce businesses and customers. Lack of awareness and adoption. Blockchain is still not widely understood or accepted by many e-commerce stakeholders such as businesses, customers, and regulators. There are also barriers to adoption such as lack of trust, education, and incentives. Furthermore, there are challenges in ensuring the quality, security, and reliability of blockchain-based e-commerce platforms and services. There are some of the challenges that blockchain faces in e-commerce, as it can hinder its full potential and adoption. To overcome these challenges, e-commerce businesses and customers needs to collaborate with the blockchain developers, researchers, and regulators to address the technical, regulatory, and social aspects of blockchain technology. Thank you very much for watching us. Please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.